Welcome to our channel. To install the Ultimate Streaming app using a downloader code in 2025, follow these step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Turn on your streaming device and ensure it's connected to the internet with a stable connection. Step 2. Open the downloader app on your device. If you need to install it, visit your device's app store and download it. Step 3. Click on the URL field at the top of the downloader app to activate the on-screen keyboard. Step 4. Enter the downloader code for the Ultimate Streaming app. Type carefully to ensure accuracy. Step 5. Press Go or Enter to initiate the download. The installation file will begin downloading. Step 6. Once the download is complete, tap Install on the prompt that appears. Step 7. After installation, open the Ultimate Streaming app and explore a vast library of movies, TV shows, sports, and live channels. Step 8. Enjoy unlimited streaming with high-quality video and audio. Access your favorite content anytime. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.